Hello, welcome to another Biker's Travelog on Revelator Alf. So I've headed up into the woods and just have a look at where I am. Wow, this amazing forest, or actually very small wood I should say, but just really high canopy, really clear beneath. You can see it's just glorious, like a carpet of sort of dead leaves here and old branches, and just lots of fallen trees littered about the place. But I thought, you know, I ride past this wood virtually every day, and you know, I've always looked into it and I thought, wow, looks like a really nice wood to ride through. So I thought this morning, why not just go and ride through it? And it's been absolutely lovely. So I've ridden all the way around it, around the perimeter. There's a big open field. There's a main road over there, but it's just a glorious place to be. And I think that's when, you know, when I go out on my little rides, yeah, I go on the trails and the byways and things like that. But ultimately, I'm looking for somewhere interesting to go and ride through, or ride to. And, you know, this just seems really interesting and really, really beautiful at the same time. I mean, look at that. You know, when you've seen the trees just so vertically go straight up, you know, you do get that kind of, you know, sense of amazement or wonder, you know. But look, you know, it's just a really cool place to go. And also, you know, this is actually quite thick in places, the tree leaves, I should say. So, you know, you're riding along, then also you sort of dip down as the bike sort of sinks a little bit, but you motor through. But it's underneath, it's quite hard, and it's damp, but it's relatively dry, so it's not too bad. But anyway, so I thought I'd come and investigate, and come and see what this is all about, and I'm glad I did. Look, the sun's shining through in different places, you know, all the different colours. The leaves are starting to turn in different places as well. This is like this, or it's not because it's autumn now, it's like this all year round. The leaves fall and they just rot on the ground. There's nothing else growing here, so that, you know, you get this carpet, you know, in the trees. Lovely. In that wood over there, a bit further on, the next stage of the wood, every sort of April, May time, there's lots of bluebells in there as well. So if you're into your flowers, which I'm not really, but if you're into your flowers, it's actually a really nice place to go and have a walk, take the family around. And there's lots of woods around here, funnily enough. We've got lots of bluebells at that time of year. So it is like a carpet of sort of lilac-y blue flowers. That looks nice. Wow. So up in that distance up there, which I rode through all the way past there, there's actually an isolated house. And the wood kind of surrounds the house. So I didn't want to go too far because I didn't want to disturb people. Look, there you go, there's a muntjac right down there. There's a deer. A couple of them running through. I saw, as I was riding up that way, there's a big stag with the horns, you know, or antlers, I should say, horns, antlers, just right, you know, running off in that direction as well. So there's lots of us. I know this road. There's lots of deers. They're always crossing this road, muntjacs, and they're, you know, forever getting hit by cars or trucks and stuff like that. But the real hazard, you know, especially if you're on a bike or small car, you know, they're really going to cause some damage to you and your vehicle as well. So, you know, whenever I'm riding through this in the middle of the night as well, always paying lots of attention. But anyway, it just makes a beautiful sight, really, isn't it? Wow. Anyway, not a lot to talk about today, just on the Biker's Travel. I just thought I'd share this experience with you. Made a little video as well of the ride through it, but I just thought I'd get off the bike and you know, have a little chat, try try and explain what I'm feeling. Well, you know, that sense of just calm. It's a sense of calm being in the trees, and especially in the woods like this, where you can actually see through it, and it's not so claustrophobic. You know, it's just a lovely place to be. Anyway, catch you on the next Bikers Travelog, whenever that is. Cheers now.